Hi, I'm Chris Links from North Shore Marine Group. We're here today on Oscar, the Nimbus T11. Fabulous boat. It's for sale with us at the moment and presents like new. It's 2021 with twin 300 Verado Mercury engines. We've got the two Simrad screens just here at the moment, so you can use one for your navigation and one for all your engine controls and what have you. Or you can page through them. They're pretty versatile. This boat also comes with a Fusion sound system, and there's the zip wake here as well. There's a double bed in the V berth up forward, and then just down below me here is another double bed behind the head section, which is the midships. The boat's really user friendly. Great vision from here from the helm. The three seats across the helm station here, so it makes it very sociable and comfortable too. Got the sun lounge up in the bow there. Complete walk around decks, so great for a young family, or older people, or if you've got guests that aren't accustomed to being on boats all the time. Really easy access and user friendly, easy to get around. So it's one of the things I really like about the boat. Back here, just behind us here, great entertaining area. All these seat configurations move around, so there's many seat setups that you can configure the boat to, so it makes it a really great entertaining boat. There's also a canopy that sets up out the back here, so that can get everyone out of the sun for these hot summer days. This is a great boat, great for entertaining. We've got the cooktop and sink and the two big fridges here for your drinks. Easy to get to, easy access, and everyone's nice and controlled in this area. The table folds right out, folds back this way. Again, we can move these seats around into a great entertaining setup here. Face each other. These also swing back, so you can all face forward while you're on a quick trip, on passage. Great walk around boat, easy access, great side walk around. So with a good handrail, really good for young kids or guests that haven't spent a lot of time on boats. So coming back to the back of the boat under here, good storage area down here. All the toys, floats, covers, life jackets, you name it, it's all down there. And again, back here under the table, this comes up hydraulically as well. There's hydraulically, and there's a huge storage area here. But they're a great boat, easy to swim off. Got a swim ladder back here, so easy to get up and down. And the boat's powered by these two twin Mercury 300 Verado engines. So if you're doing any short passages or whatever, you're there nice and quick, ready to pull out the toys at the next stop. Thanks for coming on our tour today of Oscar the Nimbus T11. If you're interested in this style of boat, it's well worth coming and having a look. But thanks for getting on board with us, and we'll see you next time. Look us up at northshoremarine.com.au.